Okay, so the question said, can we maximise the MPV by investing 10 million, assuming that project E, which is this project here, assuming that has an MPV of 0, but it must be taken, okay? And it says all 5 projects have a project last 4 years, and A, B, C, and D, they're all divisible. So as they're divisible, we can use a profitability index. Now the profitability index is simply the MPV divided by the investment. So 1 million divided by 2.5 is 0.4. 1550 divided by 2.2 is 0.705. Project C, 1350 divided by 26 is 0.519. Project D, 15 divided by 19 is 0.789. Okay, now we can rank them. Which ones we want to do? Well, we have to do E, so I've got to put that as number 1. And then you say, right, which gives me the next highest, which is D. Which gives me the next highest after that, B. Next highest after that, D. And the worst, I think that's right. No, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the worst is that one there, 5. Okay, but it says that project B and D are mutually exclusive. So we can't do B and D together. Okay, so which one are you going to choose? Would you choose B or D? Hopefully you'd say I would choose D because it's the second best. So project B disappears. Okay, so we have our rankings and now we just work out the amount that we'd have. So we have 10 million to spend. Okay, and we said, right, first of all, we have to do project E, which will cost me 5 million. That will leave me with 5 million left. And that will get me an MPV, unfortunately, of nothing. Okay, next I would do project, that one's done, project D. So project D, that will cost me 1,900,000. Which would leave me then with 3,100,000 still to spend. And project D will give me an MPV of 1.5 million. So far so good. What would I do next? I would then choose project C. So project C comes along and that gives me a cost of 2.6 million. Leaving me with just 500,000 still to spend. And that 2.6 million will get me an MPV of 1350000. And then finally, because it's divisible, I can do sum of project A. I can't do it all up because it cost me 2.5 million, but I've got 500,000, so I'll spend 500,000 on it. So I'm spending 500,000. I'm doing 500 thousandths of the 2.5 thousandths, which hopefully you can see I'm going to do a fifth of project A because it's divisible. So therefore the net present value that will get me is not the full 1 million, but a fifth of the 1 million, isn't it? I'm only doing a fifth of the project, so I'll only get a fifth of the MPV. So a fifth of that is 200,000. Add all that down, and that is my maximum MPV I could get, which I think comes to 3,050, I think. Yeah, 3,050. That's the maximum MPV that I could get spending the 10 million. Okay, that's how it's done, folks.